everyone! Snowball the bunny and I are so happy to see you again. Hello bunnies, how are you? How are you? Happy to be with you, happy to be with you. Let's begin, let's begin. Would you like to blow a kiss to Snowball? Mwah! Thank you. And now, are you ready for our Snowball rhyme? Bunny, 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 you're so funny with your twitching nose. Bunny, 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 you're so funny from your head to your toes. Bunny, 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 your ears are funny. They're too big for you. Bunny, 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 you're so funny. Everyone loves you. Well, thank you for being here today. I don't know about you, but Snowball and I love bubbles. They are so pretty, so much fun to blow and to pop. So we're going to do a very silly rhyme about bubbles, and then we're going to sing a song. Do you ever have bubbles in your bathtub? We're going to sing a song about elephants taking a bath in a tub with some bubbles. We're starting with one elephant in the tub. Can you put up one finger? Good. One elephant in the tub going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash. Come on in. And we're going all the way up to 5 elephants in the tub. Are you ready? Start with one. One elephant in the tub going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash. Come on in. 2 elephants in the tub going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash. Come on in. 3 elephants in the tub going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash. Come on in. 4 elephants in the tub going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash. Come on in. 5 elephants in the tub going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash. They're all in. And it's probably a mess in the bathroom. Elephants take up a lot of room. Very good, everybody. Now we're going to do a song. This is a very old song that my grandmother used to sing. Are you ready? I'm forever blowing bubbles, pretty bubbles in the air. They fly so high, nearly reach the sky. Then, like my dreams, they fade and die. Fortune's I hope you enjoyed the bubbles as much as Snowball and I did. We're now going to show you a fun art project you can do with bubbles. This project is best done outside because it can get pretty messy. Have a grown-up help you. Get some small containers and some bubble solution and food coloring. Put bubble solution and food coloring in each of the little containers and stir them well. Get your bubble blower or bubble wands, whatever you have, and then a big piece of paper, and you are ready to make your artwork. Start blowing bubbles onto the paper. Start with the lightest color and just keep adding colors. Splatters make it all the more interesting. As the bubbles pop and dry, you will see a beautiful, colorful piece of artwork emerge. Good job! You have made some bubble art. Pretty bubbles in the air. Pretty bubbles in the air. Well, thank you so much for coming today. I hope you enjoyed our bubbly program. Thank you, everyone, and thank you to the students of ECEC, the students in the butterfly, daisy, guppy, ladybug, panda, and turtle rooms, and to everyone joining us today. I hope you get a chance to play with bubbles soon. Goodbye, bunnies, goodbye, bunnies, see you soon, see you soon. Thanks for being with us, thanks for being with us. Come back soon, come back soon. Goodbye, everyone.